Which field differentiate a table from client dependent and client independent?
The mandate field of the table specifies whether the table is client independent or not.
What types of objects can be created in the ABAP dictionary?
Tables, views, data elements, structures, table types, type groups, domains, search helps, log objects.
Can I use all the views in the ABAP program?
No, you can use only projection view or database view in your ABAP program.
How do you activate the database table after making changes to it?
After making changes to the table in DDIC in order to reflect the changes in the actual database, go to transaction SE14 and choose edit and then choose activate and adjust database, or you can directly activate it from the SE11 utilities, database utilities, activate and adjust database.
Explain the index in DDIC.
Sorry sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
In which table are the program tables development classes are stored in?
Sorry sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
What are the important tables to store the definition of DDIC?
Sorry sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
When I created new entries in the table, the field values are always in the uppercase. How do I get the data with mixed case?
The reason for this is that the domain for the field in the table might have lowercase checkbox unchecked. Check the lowercase checkbox to preserve the case of your data.
What is table maintenance generator?
The table maintenance generator is used to create table maintenance program to add, modify or delete records in the database table. This can be exceed using transaction SM30 on SE54 or in SE11 using the menu utilities table maintenance generator.
What are the master tables and the primary key fields for?
A. Currency codes. B. Countries. C. Unit of measurements. D. Purchasing organizations. E. Customer master. F. Vendor master. G. Plant master data. H. Company codes. I. Sales organizations. J. Profit center master. K. Cost center. L. Purchasing enforce code. And also the transaction codes to create the same wherever it is applicable.
Explain the below terms.
A. Table maintenance. B. Data class. C. Delivery class. D. Size category. Table maintenance. It allows the user to maintain the data manually. Data class. The data class determines in which table space physical area the table is stored when it is created in the database. Size category. The size category describes the probable space requirement of the table in the database. Delivery class. It defines the type of the data that is going to be stored, and also it defines the owner of the table, and also the delivery class controls the transport of table data for installation upgrade. Client can copy and when transporting between customer system.
What is type group?
We can define data types in the type group in the ABAP4 dictionary instead of defining them within ABAP4 program. The type group name in the ABAP4 dictionary has a maximum of 5 characters. The data type name within type group type pool must begin with type pool followed by an underscore. Note, up to 4.6c version we can create the type group SE80 data dictionary but not from SE11, whereas from 4.7 EE version we can still create it through SE11 itself. Example, LSLIS is created by SAP to work with all the data types required to work with ALV. The types in the type group must be declared in ABAP4 programs with the type pools command to access the data types from the A type group.
What is view, and explain the types of views?
A view is a logical view on one or more tables, a view on one or more tables, etc. The data from a view is not actually physically stored, instead being derived from one or more tables. A view can be used to summarize data which is distributed among several tables. Types of views. First, projection view just retrieves some fields from the single table. Second, help view. This is used for search help. Third, database view. This is inner join view of one or more tables. Fourth, maintenance view helps in maintaining data of the application object. The data can be distributed among several tables.
What is the max number of structures that can be included in a table or structure maximum?
But not 9, where all the other materials and some website says it is 9. Try yourself including the structure in the custom table.